And it really wasn't until we got to the finish line that we knew who was going to be the winner. We will now be moving to the boys, Class 3.
The record here, 48.72 seconds, set by Christopher Taylor back in 2014. We'll have fellas Headley, Bennett, Francis, Gordon, Creary, White, and Hines.
If I said that I think Tarique is going to win the race, what would you say? Doing excellent.
I'd ask if it's Tarique with 1A or 2.
Tarique Gordon of Kingston College in lane 5. Tarique Creary of Jamaica College in lane 6. JC with 2 in this final. Kingston College with 2 in this final. That's where most of the running is going to come from.
This promises to be a cracking contest. Starting out in lane 8 from Wilmers, Dejon Hines.
A smart 51.65 got him into this final. Lane 8 is not as bad as it might appear. Doing Excel will tell us.
In lane 7 from Jamaica College, JAYDEN White.
What's special about this young man? 50.62 to qualify, and he's just in class 4. He'll be back next year.
First year 3 is how I say it, but I won't argue. The industry does say class 4.
In lane 6 from Jamaica College, Tarique Creary.
The first of the Tariques we're going to be introducing it to Tarique Creary, T-A-R-I-Q, from Jamaica College, 51.43. His coach thinks he can challenge for the goal. Second and third are corporate area jumps.
In lane 5 from Kingston College, Tarique Gordon.
Silva at the corporate area, 51.30 in the semis. Looked good in the final stage of the race. Can he deliver big for Kingston College?
In lane 4, representing Lacovia, we have got Darian Francis.
Looked really good coming around in the rounds. His 51.09 positions him very well in that lane 4.
In lane 3, from Titchfield, Romani Bennett.
Eastern champion, 51.88 personal best to qualify for this final. He is in the mood.
In lane 2, from St. Elizabeth Technical, it's Orlando Headley.
34 puts lane 2, but he represents for Santa Cruz. I think he will do well, but getting on the medals is going to be really tough for him.
And completing the lineup, the second Kingston College competitor, Malik Fellows.
Yeah, off the podium at the corporate area championship, but here at the boys and girls champs, he ran 51.58 to qualify for this final.
So we have the silver medalist and bronze medalist from corporate area. In the 2 Tariques, Tarique Gordon from KC, second at corporate area champs, Tarique Creary from Jamaica College, bronze. They were very close. They're coming in.
On your marks.
Only 0.1 of a second separating them.
So we've got second and third from the corporate championships. We've got the Eastern champion, the Western champion, and the 7th place finisher from corporate champs as well. The lineup on show. Class 3 boys, 400 meter final.
Stand up.
Points on offer that they've been asked to stand. With JC with 2, I think JC hopes for gold and bronze. Casey is hoping for gold and maybe 4th or 5th. So points, we're going to be watching the points really very closely here. And I see an official going over to, okay, it looks more like the blocks may have had an issue as opposed to the athletes.
Yeah, and the speaker, but I think Bruce, what would want, or JC, is to finish ahead of each other. I know they'd love to get maximum points, but this field is very good. Francis of Lacovia,
on your marks,
in this can spoil the party.
True, and he's well positioned strategically. He's there in lane number 4.
This looks like a pretty open contest. Looks like any of 4 or 5 could take the top honors.
Set.
Out and about now for the Class 3 boys 400 meter final. Already ranging up Tarique Creary from Jamaica College. Outside him we have got JAYDEN White and Dejon Hines as the stagger unwinds now from Lacovia. Darian Francis in the middle of the pack. The man from Jamaica College, JAYDEN White. Darian Francis of Lacovia makes an ominous move as they leave the 200 meter marker now. Tarique Creary and JAYDEN White, the Jamaica College pair, wants to join the party as well. They spring on the top bend now. Darian Francis of Lacovia is running a big race on his outside. Tarique Creary and JAYDEN White from Jamaica College. Kingston College's Tarique Gordon has some running to do. JAYDEN White of Jamaica College finds an extra gear now and produces a brilliant performance to take the Class 3 boys 400 meter gold medal a 1-2 for the boys from Old Hope Road. 50.10 seconds for Jayden White. A new personal best to take the Class 3 boys gold medal. 50.69 for the silver medalist, his teammate that is, TARIQUE. The bronze, 50.70 goes to Darian Francis of Lacovia.
What an amazing race, Dwayne. We expected JC to go for silver, bronze. They ended up with the Quinella, 16 big points. Bertland Cameron, he says, I am the 400-meter coach at Jamaica College. You need to expect gold, silver when I'm coaching them. Amazing race as well, because the first, again, 150, almost 200 meters, the staggers didn't unwind at all. They were almost equally positioned as they entered the back straight. The first to make a move, though, Francis from Lacovia in the blue and white there in lane number 4. He's getting past Tariq Gordon of Kingston College. At this point, you realize the two from JC actually look really good. They hadn't been passed. Francis there challenging, and then they enter the home straight. And at this point, we think, could Francis pull the upset from Lacovia? And then Jayden White has never been there, never done that, and he gets not only a big win, he helps his teammate through to just hold on. Jamaica College, a spectacular 16 points.
That's the bravery of youth. The Class 4, first year 3. He will come back next year to defend this title. Jayden White runs a big personal best from out in lane number 7.
Here are the times.
Jayden White for the gold, 50.10 for Jamaica College. Silver for JC as well through TARIQUE. 50.69 the bronze to Darian Francis. An excellent effort from Lacovia, 50.73 seconds.
Lacovia, third last year. Got a bronze medal last year to Nicholas Jones.